In this video, I'll be guiding you through how you can easily activate your Joker MasterCard online. So in order to do that, follow these simple steps. Open up a preferred web browser to get started. Now go to the search box or the URL box at the top and type in www.jokercard.ca and press enter. Doing this will take you to the official site for Joker. Now, click on the Register Card button at the top of the screen in order to go through the registration process. Here, you can simply go ahead and check your balances or your transaction or simply register a new card. Enter your card number in the first text box and type in the expiration date for the card. Enter the 3-digit CVV code. And after you are done with it, click on the Register Card button. Now, the card information will be available on your card itself. Go ahead and type it down in the correct form and you'll be able to activate your Joker's MasterCard online. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick videos like this. Thank you for watching.